Hi guys, I'm Alicia. And I'm Elise, and in today's video we're going to be sharing with you guys pretty much something that we've been struggling with for years now, probably ever since high school or
even before
high school, for many years now. And pretty much that has a lot to do with being the height that we are. We're the tall girls who can never find jeans long enough to fit our long legs. I'm 5'9", I'm 5'8.5", so you can only imagine the struggle when you go into stores and you can't find jeans for us tall girls. And as you guys might be able to tell, we don't have the longest torso.
Yeah.
We are all legs. Like in high school, I remember my dance teacher telling me that my legs and my arms were the longest out of everybody in our class. And at that time, I was like in the 8th grade. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a quick little try on, letting you guys see the jeans that we picked out and sharing with you guys the stores that we purchased them from. But before we get started, we wanted to give a huge shout out to Ebates for sponsoring this video today. Let me tell you guys right now, no matter where I shop, whether it be online or in the stores, I always make sure to use Ebates.
Exactly.
Because with Ebates, you're able to go online, type in the store that you're shopping at, and you can click through the link and get cash back. With Ebates, they are the largest cashback site, and they have over 2,000 brands that they're actually partnered with to get you cash back when you're shopping. So for instance, there's Sephora, Ulta, American Eagle Outfitters, and you can get cash back just for shopping. So it's not like, oh, you got to pay a little extra to, no, everything is free. To sign up is free. And when you sign up through Ebates, they do give you a free $10 welcome bonus. So when I signed up with them, instantly I got $10 and it went to my PayPal account. Okay, it wasn't like I had to use that money to shop again. No, it went to my PayPal account. So again, you guys, make sure, I don't care if you're shopping in stores, online, be sure to use Ebates. I'll have all the links down below so you guys can sign up. And Ebates also has a mobile app that you can download to your phone that you'll be able to take with you, of course, on your cell phone when you go to physical stores. So you're not having to print out coupons or anything like that gets messy. All you really have to do is download the app to your phone and you're good to go. So be sure to check down below for all of the links in case you're interested in shopping with Ebates. But Ebates was so kind enough to offer you guys a giveaway. So we're going to be hosting a giveaway on behalf of Ebates, and one of you lucky people are going to be winning a $100 bonus. First things first, what you want to do is sign up with Ebates. Again, it's going to be the very first link down below in the description box. So go ahead and click on there and sign up through Ebates. You're going to also get a $10 welcome bonus, so yes. And then click the second link to enter into the giveaway. That's easy. Leave a comment down below of an experience that you've had with clothing or makeup or hair or whatever the case may be that you want to share with everybody. Ours happens to be our length of our jeans. We've struggled with that. What is your struggle? Leave that comment down below. And yes, let's get into the video.
Hi guys, so this is Alicia speaking, and we're going to get into our haul with Alloy first. So these are the Alloy Emma mid-rise shape enhancing jeans in the color mid blue. The inseam on these are 37 inch and Elise is wearing hers in a size 5. Okay, so this one is me. I'm wearing the Sienna high-waisted skinny jeans in the color dark rinse. I have my inseam in this one in a 35, and I wear a size 3 with Alloy. These are kind of tight, but yeah, you can get away with wearing a 5 also if you're my size. Okay, and the very last pair of jeans that we have from Alloy is called their Sophia mid-rise skinny jeans in the color black. Elise is wearing hers in a 37 inch inseam and she wears a size 5. There is some light distressing on the front, nothing too major, and that's the fit. Okay, now we're going into one of our favorite brands, which is American Eagle Outfitters, because they have a lot of jeans there, okay? But I'm wearing the high-waisted straight jeans in the color Too Cool for School. I wear a size 2X long in American Eagle Outfitters, and I have these in a 36 inch inseam. Okay, up next, Elise is wearing the American Eagle Denim X High Rise Vintage Flare, I think that's what it's called, and the color is just the dark rinse with distressing. These jeans actually run a bit bigger. We do have ours in a 2X long, but they're a bit bigger, and the inseam on this is 37 inches. Perfect for heels. Now this one is very similar to the last pair, but this is their slim flare, so it runs a bit small. As you guys can see, it's like really swallowing up my butt. I do have mine in a 2X long, and the inseam on this is a 37 inch, and the color is Had a Cool Moment. Okay, so right here I am wearing the American Eagle denim jeggings in the color matte black. I do have mine in a 2X long. These do kind of fit really tight. The inseam that I'm rocking with these are a 34-inch inseam, so it's perfect for sandals and stuff like that. Okay, here is Elise again rocking another pair from American Eagle. This is their high-rise flare. I'm not too sure what the color is, but this is in a size 2X long and 36-inch inseam. Okay, last but not least from American Eagle, this is one of my favorite pairs. This is their denim X kick boot jeans in the color royal blue. I'm wearing a size 2X long. The inseam on this is a 36. These are like perfect for like anything. You can wear tennis shoes, sandals, heels, boots, anything with these because they're perfect. They're like the perfect everyday jeans. Okay, now we're moving along to Express. Right here, Elise is wearing the mid-rise dark wash stretch jeggings in the color dark denim 29. In Express, we do wear a size 2 long, and the inseam on this one, I believe, is a 34-inch. And this is one of my favorite pairs from Express. This is their skyscraper jeans. As you guys can see, they're a bit of like a straight leg. They're tight up against your thighs but loose around your ankles. It's perfect to wear with pumps or boots, as you guys will see here. And I believe the inseam on this is 36. Now last but certainly not least, I got these from Nordstrom's. These are the Hudson Carly straight leg jeans in the color Genoa. We have this in a size 26 and the inseam is 34.
You guys found this video to be helpful. If you guys know of any other clothing sites or companies or brands who caters to long-legged girls like us, be sure to comment that in the comments below so we can be able to check it out. And make sure you sign up with Ebates. Again, you guys are going to be getting a $10 welcome bonus, and it's going to be transferable to your PayPal or your bank, or you can even get a check. And also, while you're doing that, be sure to enter into our giveaway. One of you guys are going to be winning $100. So be sure to enter into the giveaway and leave a comment down below of your struggle. Our struggle happens to be our high waters and pants not fitting properly. I'm pretty sure some of you guys might have a struggle of your own. So please share with everybody so that we can feel connected. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And again, thank you Ebates for sponsoring our video today. Let us know what you guys think of this one. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Bye.